Good morning, y'all. Well, today we have some tree work. Climber just arrived. We have 6 trees that we're gonna pull, knock down. One camphor, it's actually like 2, it's split. This pine right there, they're about 70 footers. This one might be 70 to 80. So we got 1, 2, 3. We're gonna get that oak is number 4, magnolia number 5, and this dead one here number 6 for today's job. Alrighty, y'all. As you see, we're gonna be mostly just laying them down on the ground, and we'll be loading them out with the skid steer, and we'll be hauling off. That's our job. We will touch base with you here shortly, show you how the day goes. This will be the first time we used a grapple today, so I'm gonna make sure it's lubed. I did see some blue lube on there, but I'm gonna hit these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 lube points just to make sure I see lube coming out. You do not want to use the unlubed piece of equipment. Oh, there it goes right there. Yep. As y'all can see, right there. And I will clean these off here in just a second. That's one. On this side. Here it is here. All right, it already came out right here. Get the top one right here in the middle. All right, right there. And the last one. Oh, see how quick. So we know that the machine is lubed. All right.
Want me to get in? No. Want me to get in?
All right. First one down. Alrighty, that's load number 1. Sitting right there. Everything get out. Always check to make sure you're clear. Everything's good. We're gonna go ahead and lower this back down. Good thing about these top shelf trailers here, they go down very fast. It literally takes like 15 seconds. You can time it. Button it up. trailer up. Nice load. One camphor tree, basically. One full. Didn't get the whole camphor, but got most of it. But we had to get here before it closed. So hopefully we get another little load here. Another load before they close. All right, we'll talk to y'all shortly. All right, since we've been gone, they got this pine that was up. They already got it all ready for me. And they're getting ready to work on number 3, the dead one. All right, here we go. All righty, there's load number 2. That was load number 1. Here's load number 2. We are empty. That is 2 loads. Oh, almost stepped in the water. 2 loads between 8:30 and it's now 12 o'clock. All right, that's a grind for a Saturday morning. We'll continue showing you what we got. We got 1, 2, 3 trees on the ground already, and we're now putting the 4th one down while I'm dumping this. All right, we'll show you the loading of the last load of today because we can't dump today. All right, talk to y'all shortly. All right, I just got back from that 2nd load. We're not going to be able to get a 3rd load today. So as you can see here, this is a monster. That was the first one. That was the camphor tree. Number 2 was about a 18-inch, about 10-inch, maybe, whatever that one was. It was high. It was like a 75-footer. And if you look at him now, he's way up there. All right, so we got, I said 1, 2, 3 was right there. There, and I think we're gonna hit that right there. Alrighty, y'all. As y'all seen, I just got back from the second load. We did a little talking, figuring out what was going to be our fifth and final tree. We chose the next biggest tree, other than the one that was in the road over there. So I'll spin you around here and show you which tree. We're actually gonna pull it down. We have like a reverse. We got a rope over there that we hook to the top, and you pull it like this, but it's actually pulling it down over there. Let me spin you around. I'll show you what we got. All right, so here's what we're doing for the final tree. It's that big mamma jamma right there. Big boy pine. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lay it down. We're gonna lay it down just on the other side of this one here. But there's the rope that's attached to that tree right there. It's gonna go all the way up, and then the bottom of it is attached to the truck. Truck pulls that way, and then the tree comes this way. So that is the plan as of now. Kind of give y'all a little show what we got here. There's a truck. It's a monster tree. It really is a big tree. It's probably right at 40 inches, maybe 30 something inches. It's huge. And it's about just shy of 100 foot, just say 80 foot maybe ish. But yep, as you can see, we are gonna lay it down right here. As you can see, the rope is attached to that tree right there. That's what we're gonna do. All right, stand by, watch how we do it. Slowly. Try to make up. redirecting the pool. So starting here, told y'all, going there, and it's going up there to that tree right there. All we're doing is redirecting the pool. It's gonna take it, and it should lay down right in the direction, basically, of the rope here. Should lay down right there. All right, we'll show you here shortly. Alrighty, y'all. As y'all seen, he took it down. Now we're just gonna cut it up in small pieces. We can't really do nothing today. We cut all this up already into small pieces, so we can manage it with the skid steer. But we'll be cleaning this up, raking it out. But here's the load. As you can see, it's got that Brahma bull hump, as you can see up in the front. And there we go. We are loaded. There's a reason why. Loaded down. All right, y'all. That's gonna be a wrap for today.